Hello everyone, this is Renee from High Top Poultry Equipment. Now I'm in the Philippines. We are at the poultry farm, and now I will introduce you our equipment inside of the farm. This way you can see it is a poultry house and use the manual cages. And this one, it is a new poultry house and use the automatic layer chicken equipment. So now let's go inside and have a look. Okay. Now you can see there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows of the automatic layer chicken equipment. And what product of this farm includes? It includes the cage system, the automatic drinking system, and the doser, and the automatic feeding machine, and the hopper, and also the automatic egg collection machine, and the big fans. So now I will introduce you one by one. First, let us to see the cages first. Okay. Now let me introduce you. This is our hard dip galvanized chicken cages. This is one set of the chicken cage, and it is 5 nests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each nest can put four chickens. So one set for this side and another set. So one set can raise 126. And how many chickens in this farm? It is 17,000. It is 48 set of the cages in 1 row and 3 rows. So one house can raise 16,000 little chickens. And the material, it is over 400 GSM hard dip galvanized, and its life is more than 20 years. So it is not easy to get rust, have a better corrosion resistance. And this is the metal feed truck. We have the metal choice and also the PVC choice. For this metal one, its material is the zinc, aluminum, and magnet compared to oil material. So its lifetime also is longer, more than 20 years. And it is very durable. When your workers to check the condition of the chickens, they can stand on the feed truck to check it. Also when they put in the chickens, they can step on it and check it. For the cage frame, it is the 2mm cage frame. And also its material is the zinc, aluminum, and mag oil, very durable. And for the nibble drinker, we can put it in the middle, or we can put it on the side, so both of the nest of the chickens can get of the water. Okay, so now let me introduce you the feeding machine. The feeding machine, you can see it is open type. If you like, we also can make it closed. It is 3 tiers, and each tiers come. And each tiers we have encrypted the feed universal device. So each tier each rows we can set up the same amount for the chickens. We can set the feed amount according to the chicken age. This device also can help you save the feed cost. And this is the black rubber, so it can reminder the chickens the feeding machine is coming. Here, this is a feed return distance. When the machine comes and the device will come here. So there will be some feeds in this area. And you can see there is a magnet. So when the feeding machine come back, this device will come together with him. So the feeds will return to the feed trough. The chickens can eat the feeds, no waste. Last, let me introduce you our egg collection machine. 可以照上 logo 吗？
可以。
Okay, this is the small control box for the two sides of the egg collection machine. And you can see our egg collection machine is a little different at other suppliers. We have under a protection net to protect the egg clip. Also, we have under the egg tray holder here. So when the workers collect the eggs, they can put the egg tray here and directly put the eggs here. Very easily for them to collect eggs, save time. This is a testing waiting for the egg collection machine. The automatic equipment is very convenient compared to the manual cages. That's why more and more customers want to use the automatic one. Generally, one person, 1 hour, can collect 8,000 eggs. So they no need to go inside and collect the eggs manually. They just stand here and all eggs will come. Okay, this is our big fan. This is our big fan. It is 1.38 meters. This stove has 6 fans, so when the temperature is higher than 30 degrees, the fans will working to bring more fresh air to the chickens. Let me show you how the machine drop feeds. You can see there is a hole, so when the feeding machine is stand here, the feeds will drop to the feeding machine, and when the machine working, it will drop feeds inside of the feed trough. 感谢他。
Wow.
This is a small hopper, so when where is the fish come, the workers put the bag cake inside of the hopper, and there is a motor that transfers the fish directly to the feeding machine. Very convenient. Yeah. So besides the hopper, we also have the silo if you need. The silo can store 3 or 5 days fish. also have the local installation team. So when you use high top equipment, you don't need to worry about the installation, the after sale service. We have local installation team. Also, we have local people to help you do the after sale service. Okay, that's all. I hope if you want to also have a so beautiful poultry house, you can contact me, contact High Top. We can make a customized solution for you and give you the best solution. Thank you. See you next time.